it's still morning. So right now it is 10:20. I've been up since 7:30. I woke up, got myself somewhat together. I'm still in my pajamas. But I am working on this paper. It's not due until about 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks. But I don't want to be last minute. So yeah, let me show y'all what my bed is looking like right now. 1 second. So this is what it's looking like right now. I've done all that and stuff like that. The outline that the teacher gave us, the outline that I'm going by, research, notes, textbook here, more research, chapter outlines, all that good stuff. I was, hold on, let me turn y'all around. I was at my desk, but, I don't know if I told you all this, but I have a bad back. So from 2 car accidents, 3 spinal taps having the kids. My back is not always my friend. So I'm propped up on these pillows here, and sometimes I just have to be comfortable. I had bought a pillow. I had bought a pillow that you could strap to your chair, but I literally have no idea what I did with it. So yeah, that's it. I'm getting kind of hungry. It's 10. So I've been up for a couple hours working on this. I'm getting good timing. Sorry, my finger was in the way. I'm getting good timing, having good timing. You know what I'm trying to say. And now I'm getting hungry, so I have a taste for some avocado toast and maybe some breakfast sausages and maybe a cup of coffee or some orange juice. I'm not sure. But yeah, so it rained for the latter part of yesterday, which was Tuesday. My days are all off. I thought it was Thursday. It rained the latter part of Tuesday. It rained all night last night, and it's been raining on and off today, and it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. So that's that good sleep. I slept good last night. I ain't gonna even lie. I slept pretty good. Yeah. So the internet has been acting up because of the rain. So the kids aren't able to log in to school today, but they have some workbooks they can work out of. They can read. They're gonna be on the electronics like that. So we have backup plans for days like this. So yeah, I'm about to get up and get me some breakfast, and I'll be back. eggs, coffee, doing some peace and quiet just for a little bit, and back to work I go. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's 1:50 now, and I am still at it. I am actually almost done. I had to reach out to one of my professors to get some clarification, and I got just that. So I am confident on where I stand with my paper. I need to charge my MacBook up because it is gonna die soon. But yeah, I'm on the right track, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, not hungry. My bed still looks a mess, but I'll show y'all. 1 second. Okay, so paper still everywhere, textbook, got everything going here, and yeah, so that's that. So just realized it's 1:52 and I have no idea what we're doing for dinner. Leftovers are gone, but I'm so close to finishing, or at least getting the rough draft out the way. I don't want to stop, so I'm gonna probably text Antoine and see what he thinks, if he wants to cook today. Yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm doing right now. So I will check back with you guys later. I need to get a habit not looking at myself here on my phone, but looking towards the lens. But it's, I don't know, how do they vlog with their phones? I'm trying something different. I like the quality of my phone. All right, I'm just rambling now, so I'll talk to y'all later. All right, y'all, so I took a couple hours off, fixed dinner, I broke a nail, and I'm back at it. I'm going to finish this last section I need to do, and then tomorrow I can focus on the section that's been giving me the business. So I'm gonna do that, and I should be finished with my paper by this weekend, hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's it for today. I feel like y'all crooked. Maybe I'm just crooked, I don't know. So yeah, I've been working on this all day since I've been up this morning, and in the morning when I get up, I'm gonna get back to it and hopefully get the section that's been giving me a headache. Reached out to my professor and he helped me, so hopefully I can take it from there and I can go in and finish this paper and be done. So yeah, talk to you later.